What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and there you can see these are two bookshelf speakers with 5-inch woofer. So you have seen them before, and they sound quite nice. And this is from brand Samcon, and this one is a DIY Class D amplifier that I have built before, and you have seen that too. So in today's video, I'm gonna mount this thing to one of this speaker and gonna make both of them as like powered stereo bookshelf speakers like that. So let me turn this thing on, and so that's the blue light, that's the volume control here, and these two are the speaker out, here the power input, and on this side the aux cable input. That's right there. So I am not gonna mess anything up with this thing, and I'm gonna mount this thing to the back of this speaker, and gonna put one knob here. So this way they will become like powered bookshelf speakers. So let's do that. So I have replaced those RCA sockets from there and put one speaker connector for both the channels, and now things are done. Just need to mount this thing to the back of one speaker right there. I'm going to adjust the speaker wire. So let's check it out. So that's how it looks like. I have mounted that thing here, and you can see just like plus 1.5-inch extra from the main enclosure, speaker enclosure, and that's the volume control knob. For better use and convenience, can mount that knob here, right here. I can shift this socket at the top and can mount the knob here. So from the right side you can easily control the knob. Or it's also not bad. I have kept it right here at the middle. So depends on this 3.5 mm jack. I don't know how it's gonna sound, if it's gonna be the left or right. So either you keep it on the left or on the right. You can easily control the volume from the here, the back. So that's it. And as that was an old Class D amplifier enclosure I have made before, I can make it more better, but this is just a test video. So I want to show you how you can convert your bookshelf speaker, passive bookshelf speaker, into active one, just like this. Very simple and easy. And that kit cost me only rupees rupees 50. So very cheap, and it's like 15 watt per channel, 15 plus 15, total 30 watt RMS power output, and I'm giving it a 12 volt power supply of 2 ampere. So you can increase the voltage, but not the amp. And for this 5-inch woofer, this is very good enough. And so that's it. Now let's check the sound.